All right, so most people only use the basic features of ElevenLabs, but yeah, there are some hidden tools that can seriously level up your content. Let me show you what you might be missing. First, voice cloning. You can actually create a custom voice using your own recordings. This is perfect for branding or unique content. Next, the voice library has filters. You can sort voices by style, accent, or use case instead of just scrolling randomly. Most beginners ignore this, but you can fine tune stability, clarity, and style for much better results. Here's a big one. Don't just generate once. Use the regenerate option to get slightly different versions of the same voice. You can control how the voice sounds just by changing punctuation, like adding pauses or emphasis. Yeah, super powerful. Another hidden advantage, you can use the same voiceover for YouTube, ads, audiobooks, pretty much everything. Instead of starting over, just tweak your existing script and regenerate. It saves a lot of time. And yeah, those are some hidden features you should definitely start using. Once you do, your content will sound way more professional.